and his mother
Good.
And went
Good.
shopping
Great.
for two
Remember that word? It looks like another word.
toys.
Good.
Right here,
There you go.
The boy said,
Good.
I love big toys. But his mother said,
Right here.
I like little toys.
Good.
The man